Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do some bonus rewards. So what we got here is clothing, and she thought like if she just had like one shirt a week, you know, that would be something that would be you know, that would be a great reward. Now I remember that she is going to get the money too,
Right.
so she'll be able to afford things. So we don't necessarily have to go with one shirt a week. We can make that one shirt. You know, it's basically how often you could afford. You think that you guys will be able to afford it, paying this money, and you know, essentially giving her the ability to get those
Okay.
things. So
I think, I mean, I would maybe do like one new outfit a month or something
okay,
like that.
let's go with how about instead of an outfit, let's keep it to a shirt. Keep it in to make sure,
Okay.
because and it did seem that you were a little concerned with the money, making sure you could afford it, and we'll watch it, and we could always increase these later.
Okay.
So we'll go one shirt a month. Okay, great, and that'd be 30 days that of 30 consecutive perfect days she could potentially get that.
Okay.
Okay, let's take like she also was interested in a car. Now you know every kid would be interested in a car, right? And you know, so you know what we want to do is kind of like look at this on the big picture. So in other words, think about her being the perfect kid.
Mm-hmm.
You know, there's nothing wrong with her. How many days in a row do you think she would have to be the perfect kid in order to earn the ability to get a car? And it could be, it doesn't have to be a brand new car. It could be, you know, like my first car, I think it was $500. You know, so I mean, like it could be some kind of, you know, we can factor that in too.
I mean, we've talked about getting her a car, but I honestly would say like she needs to be clean for a year.
A year.
Yes.
Okay. Now the program is only 6 months.
Okay.
Let me ask you this: do you feel that you would have the money if she was clean by the end of this program 6 months from now? Do you feel that she'd be able to, you know, that would be something that you could afford?
I mean, yeah, because we could still take it away from her if she was right. So.
Absolutely, because then what happens is she then has it, essentially it's a loan. She can use the car as long as everything's going well and she's acting responsibly. And remember that she would have been clean and doing all the right things for, you know, pretty close to that 6 months, which is a long time.
Ooh, okay, I guess.
Yeah?
All right.
You guess, or are you sure?
I mean, I have to talk to Chelsea and
Right, obviously.
Mark about that,
But we could always make some adjustments
Yeah.
later.
Okay.
Now again, the expense of the car, so what would be a maximum amount for the car?
I mean, we could probably get her $2,000 or $3,000.
Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go a $3,000 car, and that will be a contribution of sorts, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, and we'll put down, you know, like 5 months, we'll get that. And what'll happen is once she makes that, you know that number of days consecutive, you would provide her the car. Now this is what it would also motivate her to try to get a job, and so she's going to have that contributing, plus she could be saving the money that she's earning. So it actually might be quite a nice car at that point. Taking that into consideration, do you want to lower that amount of how much money? And maybe we could lower the months too, that she would have to earn it?
No.
Okay, just keep everything the same. Okay, great.